Have you heard about the latest recall shaking up Ford drivers? Ford is recalling more than 850,000 vehicles in the US due to a fuel pump defect. And here's the kicker. This issue gets worse in hot weather and when fuel runs low. Did you know Ford logged 1,860 warranty claims linked to sudden power loss from this defect by mid-2025? That's huge. With no fix available yet, how safe would you feel driving one of these cars this summer? What precautions would you take to protect yourself? Ford promises free repairs but hasn't said when the solution will be ready. Curious about how this stacks up against other automakers' recalls? Stick around and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on this developing story. Ford is recalling vehicles across the US. That's right. The issue is tied to a low-pressure fuel pump defect that might cause the engine to stall unexpectedly. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, this defect could increase the risk of crashes. Can you imagine your car stalling in the middle of traffic? That's why this recall is such a deal. The affected models include Ford Broncos, F-150 trucks, Mustangs, Lincoln Aviators, and more, covering production years from 2021 to 2023. Did you check if your vehicle is on that list yet? The NHTSA has confirmed receiving 6 consumer complaints related to this issue. Drivers reported poor engine performance, things like misfiring, rough running, reduced power, or the check engine light coming on. Why do you think these defects seem to surface after cars have already hit the roads? Ford plans to start sending owner notification letters on July 14th, so keep an eye on your mailbox if you own one of the impacted models. Isn't it surprising how many cars this affects? Let's get specific. Do you own any of the models listed under Ford's latest recall? The recall covers 11 distinct models, including 2021 to 2023 Ford F-50SD, F-350SD, F-450SD, F-550SD, 2021 to 2022 Ford Mustangs, and 2021 to 2022 Lincoln Navigators. That's a pretty broad range, right? The largest group impacted is the Ford F-150 with 455,261 vehicles affected. Do you know why Ford believes only about 10% of the recalled vehicles might have the defect? The issue stems from supplier changes in June 2021 at a facility in Chihuahua, Mexico. Internal reviews found that contamination and tight spacing in the pump's design caused the failure. Even though Ford hasn't reported any crashes, fires, or injuries so far, why risk it? If your vehicle's included, stay alert for warning signs like rough idling, a check engine light, or sudden power loss. Do you regularly check your vehicle's recall status through the NHTSA website? It's an easy step that could save you from a dangerous situation. Now here's something important. Did you know that fuel pump failures are more likely in hot weather or with low fuel levels? Ford have both emphasized. Why do you think heat makes vehicle issues worse? According to reports, the problem isn't just random. It's tied to internal contamination of the jet pump and changes made during the manufacturing process. Ford's own Critical Concern Review Group launched an investigation after noticing patterns in warranty claims tied to sudden power loss. By June 2025, Ford had logged an eye-popping 1,860 warranty reports related to this exact defect. Isn't that a huge number? But here's the twist. As of now, there are no reported injuries or property damage. How confident would you feel driving a vehicle knowing it's part of a recall with no fix available yet? Ford is still working on a remedy. Until then, owners should avoid running their tanks too low, especially now during the hot summer months. What precautions would you take if you owned one of these recalled cars? You might be wondering, what's Ford doing about all this? Starting July 14th through July 18th, Ford will send out interim letters to owners of affected vehicles. These letters will explain the safety risk and let people know they'll get a follow-up notification once the repair solution is ready. Do you think automakers should move faster in these situations? Here's something that might reassure owners. Repairs will be completely free of charge. Ford dealerships will perform the service once the fix is finalized. But there's a catch. As of now, Ford has not announced when exactly the remedy will be available. Why do you think it takes so long to develop a solution for such recalls? Ford's recall isn't happening in isolation either. This is Ford's 89th recall since January 1st, 2025, making them the manufacturer with the most recalls so far this year. Isn't that a little concerning? Do you think this will affect people's trust in Ford vehicles? In the meantime, Ford advises owners to stay alert for performance issues and consult with their dealership if problems arise. Like what you're seeing? Subscribe now. This is just the beginning. Now, Ford isn't the only automaker facing fuel pump issues. Did you know Honda recently recalled more than 2.8 million vehicles in the US and Canada for a similar problem? Honda's fuel pump defects are tied to Denso fuel pumps with low-density impellers that absorb gasoline and deform, leading to stalling. Why do you think fuel pump defects seem so common across brands? Toyota also had to recall around 700,000 vehicles in the US recently due to fuel pump malfunctions. That makes you wonder, are fuel systems getting more complicated, or is quality control slipping? What's your take? One thing Ford's recall shares with these others is the promise that repairs will be free. Plus, all known owners will get notifications by mail. But here's a key difference. Ford estimates only 10% of its recalled vehicles are defective, while Honda and Toyota haven't given such specific figures. When comparing these recalls, do you think Ford is handling things responsibly? So, how do you know if your vehicle is on the list? It's pretty simple. You can visit the NHTSA website and enter your vehicle's license plate, VIN, or year, make, and model to check for open recalls. Have you ever checked your car for recalls before? For those impacted, Ford suggests watching out for signs like a check engine light, rough engine behavior, or sudden power loss. If these happen, it's wise to contact a Ford dealer as soon as possible. Why risk it, right? While waiting for a fix, Ford advises not letting your gas tank run too low, especially during hot weather. Have you ever thought about how things like fuel level could affect engine performance? Most people don't. Remember, Ford has already experienced several major recalls in 2025, including one for over 200,000 vehicles due to backup camera issues. Do you feel recalls like this affect your opinion about a brand's reliability? Finally, let's zoom out a bit. Did you know that nearly 5 million Ford and Lincoln vehicles have been affected by recalls in 2025 alone? That's a huge number. The latest fuel pump recall is Ford's second largest recall this year. The biggest was on May 9th, involving 1.1 million vehicles due to rear-view camera malfunctions. So, what does all this mean for everyday drivers like us? It highlights the importance of staying updated on safety issues. Have you signed up for recall alerts through your car manufacturer or the NHTSA? It's free and helps keep you informed. When a car company issues a recall, it's not always because cars are falling apart left and right. Often, it's about preventing accidents before they happen. Do you think manufacturers should face stricter penalties for repeated safety recalls? The key takeaway is, if your vehicle is on the list, act promptly. Ford's massive recall of over 850,000 vehicles due to a fuel pump defect underscores the critical importance of vehicle safety vigilance. With increased risks in hot weather and no immediate fix yet, affected drivers must stay alert, avoid low fuel levels, and check recall status regularly. This ongoing issue highlights how recalls protect us from potential dangers. Stay informed, act fast, and subscribe for real-time updates on this developing story. Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest.